ఆ పిల్ల సాయి చెప్పింది కదా. ఆ పిల్ల యాక్చువల్లీ టీ తాగుతా.
So, welcome to DURGASOFT and welcome to DSA with Java. DSA with Java. It is 5 weekends batch. Okay, 5 weekends batch. The timings of the session is nothing but so 7 a.m. Actually 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to we have around 10 or 10:30 10:30 a.m. Okay, so 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, around 3 hours session I'm going to spend on every Saturday and Sunday. Meanwhile, some 15 minutes breaks or sometimes a half an hour break will be given. That's why just I have given up to 10:30. Please make your schedule from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay. So these weekends only, I think everyone are free in these weekends. Saturday and Sunday, we are going to plan the classes. And fees for this batch is nothing but rupees 3,000. All the information related to the batch fees, everything admin people are going to contact you. Just you can give the information when you are going to make the payment, everything you can give to them. Okay, so next let us come to the syllabus. So data structures and algorithms, data structures and algorithms with Java. See, whenever you are going for um, any product based companies, or if you want to sustain in IT industry nowadays, you know how much difficult it is. Okay, so they are going to ask very few basic information, so you should have some technical knowledge. First thing is nothing but you should have some programming experience, like how you can able to write the program. Compulsory you should have an idea. Along with that, some data structures and algorithms, these things also very very important. And the third one is some kind of logic building, like if any new problem is coming, how you are going to solve that problem. So these are nothing but the basic three essential things which every IT person should have. So I think you already have some programming language knowledge. Maybe it can be a Java or Python or anything else. Okay. So second thing is this one, data structures and algorithms. So this implementation is a completely I'm going to explain in Java. That's why the prerequisite for this course is nothing but what? Java. You should have a clear clarity on Java. Then only these classes easily you can able to understand. And one more thing, so here the program's length will be very huge. So that's why this is the weekend batch. You need to put concentration continuously. Meanwhile, if you want, I will explain one more time also if you are unable to understand. Okay, but don't take it as an advantage and keep on asking to repeat. Okay, so try to compete with me. Slowly, I am going to explain the sessions, and after completion of this, they are going to share the video also. It is highly recommended to watch the video one more time. So don't think that sir, until the videos are going to expire I will watch later, like that. Don't. So once, if today's class is completed, spend some time either on weekdays or weekends to recall the video one more time. And anyway, I'm going to share the running notes. Don't copy paste whatever I covered in the running notes and don't execute that. So try to do by yourself. So if you are using a mobile, just open the recording, connect with your headsets, watch one 10 or 15 minutes video, whatever I explained, note down the points in the book, and then try to do the program. So like that, if you take, it will be very easy for you to understand. This is nothing but what is a prerequisite for this course. Okay, and what concepts I am going to explain. So let me give the syllabus. So some people are asking, sir, is it high level or low level, like that? See, it is from the beginner onwards up to advanced levels also will be there. But don't expect all the problems I am going to solve. I am going to give some assignments also. You have to practice that. Okay. Now, So coming to the syllabus, in this data structures and algorithms syllabus, one second. Yeah. Sir, again I am repeating. Again I am repeating. Please listen carefully. One second. Yeah, Haimavati, you joined, right? Please confirm. Haimavati, are you there in the session?
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So only this weekend, the session timings is from 10 a.m. Next week onwards, as usual, 7 a.m. to 10:30. Now, coming to the syllabus, we are going to see introduction.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
DURGASOFT asked me to clarify you in this call only, so sorry to take your time. But
Mm.
actually, today 7 to 10 class has happened, sir.
No, madam. I have given the complete information in the mail. So
In
today,
mail, it is.
7, no. In today, the session will be there from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Okay. And there is no class at 7 a.m. Only today and tomorrow, you need to join by using the demo link. Why? Because just we planned one add-on that students are going to take the demo, right? So instead of canceling your batch class, just I'm going to take a fresh topic so that it will be covered. Okay.
So you will be repeating whatever we have listened to last 2 weekends.
No,
Today.
it is a new topic. It is a new topic. Otherwise, I should cancel this class, right? It is a new topic, madam. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Please be on mute, madam. So the first topic what we are going to discuss here is introduction to data structures and algorithms we are going to cover. After that, so time and space complexities. So the students who joined at 7 a.m. don't leave the meeting because I'm not going to take the concept which we covered already. Today, a new topic I'm going to take. So time and space complexities. Sir, if you take any program, there can be multiple implementations. We can solve that programs in multiple ways. Okay, definitely among multiple problems, there will be one problem which is very efficient. How to find out such a type of problems? For that, we need to analyze how much time it is taking, how much space it is occupying. For that, time and space complexities and array data structure. I think you have already idea about this, but anyway I'm going to repeat. And a string data structure. So next and after that, linked list data structure. Okay. Linked list, I mean, here we are going to get a single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. Like that we are going to see the implementation. Okay. So next and after that, we are going to talk about stack data structure. So then we are going to discuss about queue data structure. In this queue also, there will be multiple concepts like normal queue, circular queue, double-ended queue, priority queue, like that. Then we are going to discuss about tree data structure. Under that tree, we have a programs for a binary tree. Then we have programs for a binary search tree. So then we are going to discuss about AVL trees. Then we are going to talk about heap trees. Okay. So then we will have a concept called graph data structure. All these are data structures. And we have algorithms also there, like recursive algorithms, then backtracking algorithms. Then we are going to have divide and conquer algorithms are there. So then we have greedy algorithms, around some 4 to 5 problems we are going to discuss in this greedy. Next, dynamic programming, DP, dynamic programming related algorithms will be there. Next, hashing algorithms like linear probing, quadratic probing, separate chaining, like that we have collision resolution techniques. So next and after that we are going to talk about different sorting algorithms and different searching algorithms. So these are nothing but the topics which we are going to cover in this batch. Okay.
Yes.
So if you are having any queries on the syllabus, please let me know. Then we will start a new topic. Sir, clear up to this?
Clear, sir.
Sir, any queries?
No, sir.
Right. Now, coming to
Sir,
today's session. Yes.
we have 5 weekend batch, right? In 10 days.
Hmm.
We are covering all these topics in 10 days.
Yes, sir. It will be covered. Maybe additionally 1 weekend may be extended, that ignorable. But we have our plan. Sir, clear everyone? Please confirm so that I will start our today's new topic.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Confirm.
Right. So now the students are already there at 7 a.m. Okay, this batch got already started last weekend itself. So for them, I covered recursive algorithms. Okay, so if you want, just I will show you their running notes. You can see we started recursion for them, and I think I completed almost recursive algorithms I defined, and almost some 20 or 25 applications I covered for them in the last week. Okay, so this a topic I'm going to repeat for you people by taking some backup session. Maybe in the next week, next Friday, I will take a backup session, and whatever programs I covered for them, up to 25 applications I covered, all these applications I'm going to explain. Okay, that is a backup class will be there. And today, so for both the students like 7 a.m students and the people who are attending demo, for them I am taking a small and important topic. So what is that? Is nothing but it is not related to the data structures, it is related to the algorithms. So I am going to talk about sorting algorithms. Sir, some people are going to feel this is very easy topic. No, actually in this there are n number of internal things are there. So here you can see whenever you are taking any programming language, it may be Java or it may be Python or anything, so there will be some predefined sorting techniques also will be there. Along with that, user defined sorting techniques also will be there. So when we are going for predefined, when we are going for user defined, so if a predefined tools are already there, so how we are going to implement user defined sorting techniques? Everything sorting related, loopholes, n number of things are there, everything I'm going to cover in this. Okay, so now before moving to the sorting algorithms, if you are having any queries, please let me know. Any queries? If everyone clear, I will start. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, with your knowledge, can you please tell me what is mean by sorting? With your knowledge, what is mean by sorting?
It is like
So to sort the
arranging a given
data.
set of data.
Very good. It is arranging the data in some order. Maybe it can be ascending order, it can be descending order, or you can arrange the data in customized order also. Okay, or you can arrange the data alphabetically. So like there are n number of tools are there. So sorting means what? The process of arranging the elements in some order. Okay, if you arrange the elements in some order, then it is called as what? Sorting. Sir, I have data like 2 5 1 3 4 something like that, 1 3 1 3 6 5, sorry, 4, like this. Can you please arrange this data according to the order? Sir, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can arrange the data 6 5 4 3 2 1. Can I say first one is ascending order, second one is a descending order, like that? Sir, now I have some strings like ABC. Okay, next and after that DEF. So next and after that XYZ. So next and after that MNO, like that. Can you please arrange this data in order? Sir, first ABC will come, so then DEF, then MNO, then XYZ. Have you observed alphabetically in ascending order? If you take descending order, XYZ followed by MNO, so followed by DEF and followed by ABC, we are going to get like that. Sir, I have some names are there like Ram, okay, and then Charan, and then NTR, okay, and then Tarak, okay, so and then something like Chiranjeevi, like that. I have some strings. Can you please sort these strings according to the not ascending order? I want according to the length of the names, so that what will happen? There are two names, so with the same length, like Ram and then NTR. Sir, R and N, which character will come first? Please tell me.
N.
N. So first we need to take NTR, then Ram. Tell me what will be the next string?
Charan.
Charan. Very good. Charan. No, sir. According to length. Chiranjeevi is the big name, right? Like that. Then?
Tarak.
Very good. Tarak. Next. At last, we are going to take Chiranjeevi. Right? Sir, now, can I do this program like this also? Sir, first Ram and then NTR. Okay, then Charan, it is also valid, correct, sir? Because first two names are having same length. In any order we can arrange, right? Okay, but here there is one stability concept will come into the picture. But don't worry, what is that stability concept? I will explain later. Stability means in which order the inputs are coming. If multiple options are there with the same length, like I have two names, sir. In these two names, so which name you need to take first? No problem, sir. In the input, in which order it is coming, in that order only you need to take. Okay, so such type of algorithms are called as stable algorithms. Of course, don't worry. Later, I am going to take examples and I will demonstrate. Just I have given introduction to the sorting. Okay, so you can arrange the data in ascending order. You can arrange the data in descending order. So you can arrange the data alphabetically like A to Z in ascending order. So you can arrange from Z to A, okay, Z to A in descending order, okay, or you can sort the data based on length, okay. That means what? Based on some property. So property means either length, okay, so or repeated characters. Okay, like you can customize that by your own based on some property. And sometimes I want to give my own rules. Based on that rule I want to sort. That is called as what? Customized sorting. For everything I am going to take one example and I will demonstrate with programs. Okay, so whatever I covered till now is nothing but what? Introduction to sorting. So if you are clear with this small topic, then I will go for one by one. Any queries up to this?
No.
Sir, everyone, please be active. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next topic, what we are going to discuss now is nothing but generating random integer values for sorting purpose. So generating random integer values for sorting purpose. Do you know, whenever I'm explaining sorting, definitely we have to take multiple examples, right? So for example, I want to sort the data. Sir, simply I will take the integers like 2 5, okay, 1 3 4, like that, and then after sorting the data will become 1 3 4 5, like that. I'm going to give this one as an input for my program, and this is nothing but output of our program, like that I am going to explain. But sir, how many sorting algorithms we are going to cover? Around 5 to 6 external, 5 to 6 sorting algorithms which are not predefined, we are going to cover. For this every sorting, if I take the same example, then you may feel like, sir, it is very simple, right? Simple numbers if you are taking, and it is sorting means how it will be. And even for every example, if I am taking the same thing, it will be very difficult for you to understand. That's why, to see the reality whether really sorting is happening or not, what I will do is I will create one array with the 10 elements. Okay, with some 10 elements I am going to create one array. Then, so after sorting, how these 10 elements are arranged, how these 10 elements are arranged, I am going to show you in the output. Sir, what are those 10 elements? I am not going to fix in my program. So these are nothing but random values. So in Java, we have a random class is there. From that random class, I will select some random numbers and I will display these random numbers in the output, like before sorting. These are the elements. So after sorting, these are the elements. Sir, now if you run second time, inputs will change. According to that input, sorting is happening or not, we can see practically. For this purpose, we are going to take some random values. I'm going to take one array with the 10 elements. I will store all the random numbers in that array, and before sorting, what is that array content? After sorting, what is that array content? I am going to display. This is nothing but, so generating random integer values for sorting purpose. So is the theory point is clear means I will demonstrate by using Java program. Are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So now I'm going to take one Java program. Okay, one Java program. The name of the Java program is nothing but a test. I think you have already idea about all these things. Sir, how to run this particular program? There are some basic commands are there. By using those commands, we can compile and we can execute. Okay. Can anyone tell me which command we have to use for compilation purpose?
Java C,
Java C.
Java.
Very good. File name .java, which is nothing but test.java. How to run the program? Java space test. You can see it is printing some hello world. Now what is my task? We have to generate random numbers. Sir, now I am going to create a one random class object. Random R is equal to new random. I think everyone knows this is the way of creating object. For which class I am creating object? For random class. Okay, but I have one small doubt. Anyone tell me in which class, in which package this random class is available? Can anyone have idea? In which package?
Java.lang.
No.
Java.util.
Very good. So it is present in which package? Util package. So compulsory we have to import that package. Java.util.random. Okay. Now, so we have to create one array. I'm creating one array. So integer array A is equal to new integer of, let me take the length as a 10, length as a 10. So now how to print these elements? Sir, I don't want to write for loop again. I don't want to use for each loop also. So there is one predefined class is there called arrays. In that toString method is there. If you pass any array, it is going to display all the elements present in that array in some specified format. What is that format? Within square bracket, one by one, the elements are going to be displayed, so that it is for my convenient purpose. And this arrays class is also present in which package? Util package only. So if I run this program, so since we have not initialized any elements for array, right? So what will be the default values for this array, integer array? Can anyone tell me? What are the default values for integer array?
0.
0. Very good. So now you can see, if I compile the program, it is going to compile fine. And if you run, so what are the default values? 0. Now, sir, can you please generate random numbers? How I am going to generate? I will take for I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length. So how many elements are there in the array? 10 elements are there. So it is going to run 10 times, and every time I plus plus and inside this. So how to generate random number means, from the random object you can call next int. It will take one random integer from the random class. Okay, and we have to assign to a of I, because it is index based terminology, right? When I is equal to 0, it will take some random number and it will put it into a of 0. When you are running second time, it will take one more random integer and it will store inside this. Okay, now I am going to compile the program and I am running. You can see, sir, a big random numbers are coming. So I don't want to deal with such big numbers. Can you please short this code? No problem. So next int method will take one argument. If you are passing any value x, it will generate the random number which are less than or equal to this x. So for my convenient purpose, I am going to take 50. If you take 50, what will happen? Every time it is selecting a random number from 0 to 50. Okay, now let us see what is the output that we are going to get. So here you can see, sir, initially what are all the array elements? 0. Now what are the array elements? You can see sometimes repetition also will come, no issues. Now you can run second time. Sir, is the same values are coming? No, sir, different values. Like this, okay, whenever you are trying to, generate a random number, so a fresh values we are going to get, so that we can able to understand whether the algorithm is working perfectly or not. So this is nothing but how to generate random integer values for demonstrating these sorting applications. Sir, everyone up to this, do you have any queries? Please confirm.
No.
Clear. Or you have sent the 50 as an argument in next int. Right?
Hmm.
It can take values up to 15, but it can be negative. No? Why it is taking?
No, sir. Actually, it will take from the 0. If you are passing any argument, I think you have idea about this. Whenever we are passing any argument, it is going to start from 0 and up to whatever argument you have given, it will take that. It is a syntax. And if you are not passing any value, then what will happen? It will take the integer range as the default and it will select. Okay. Sir, clear? Can I go for next concept?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the next topic is, sir, to understand this sorting, I need some basic idea, like how you can sort internally when we are sorting, what things are going to be happen. Like I want to know the basic idea, sir. No problem. For that, So basics of sorting I'm going to demonstrate. Around some 4 example programs I will show you basics how to do the sorting. So maybe I'm going to take in the form of cases. So case 1, sorting sorting integer elements in ascending order, how it is going to be done. So sorting integer elements, okay, so in descending order, how it will be. So next term, sorting integer objects in ascending order with customized with the customized with the customized range. Like I don't want to sort all the elements in the array, I want to sort the elements from third location to seventh location. Can you please do that? Yes, we can. So similarly, sorting all the elements in descending order with customized range. These 4 examples I am going to cover, not by using predefined. Manually I will write algorithms for this, but which algorithm I'm going to follow I'm not going to explain, but just programmatic wise how the logics are working. If you are having clear clarity, next if I am doing any other operations, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, sir, if you are clear with our agenda, then I will go for the programs one by one. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So in that, let me start the first case. What is the first case? Sorting the elements in ascending order. Sorting the elements in ascending order. Now observe carefully. So anyway, this code I don't want to disturb. Why? Because we have the random numbers like that, right? But so I want to print this array before copying the sorting. And one more thing, sir, here curly brackets also optional. Why? Because we have only one line is there, so we can ignore. So this part I want to disturb. So now in between this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call one method. What is that method? Is sort ASC order. So take this array as the input, and can you please sort the data according to ascending order? Okay, so now I'm going to write a separate method for this purpose, utility method. So static void sort ASC order, which is receiving one integer array, let it be a. So what we need to do here, sir, we have to write our sorting main business logic. We have to write how it is going to work. So now just let me check up to this any syntactical mistake. No. So here you can see whatever random numbers are there, same random numbers are coming, because still we didn't implemented the sorting. Once if you do sorting, what will happen? All the data is going to be arranged in order. Sir, how to implement this logic? Don't worry. First I will explain diagrammatically how it is going to work. Then I will show you programmatically. Up to this, do you have any queries? Syntax wise, clear?
Clear.
Everyone,
sir.
please respond. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So first let me take one simple example for you to better understand. Okay. So consider I have one array is there. Okay. I have one array is there. The elements in the array are nothing but something like 4. Okay. So next and after that 2, next and after that 1, and next and after that 3. Like that we have some elements. What about their indexes? So 0, 1, 2, 3. These are nothing but indexes. Assume this is nothing but array reference A. Okay. So we need to arrange these elements. How we are going to arrange these elements in ascending order? Sir, observe my comparisons. First time I'm going to select the number called 4, sir. Okay, I'm going to take the first element. The number is nothing but what? 4. Now I'm going to compare this 4 with the next element. What is the next element, sir?
2.
Very good. 4 is greater than 2 or not? I'm checking. Can you please tell me, is the condition is satisfied or not?
Yes.
Yes.
That is
So that means whenever it is satisfied, can you please swap? Can you please swap 4 comma 2? Now what will happen? So here 2 will come, here 4 will come. Here 2 will come, here 4 will come. Correct? Everyone clear?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Now in the next case, tell me what is the element present at 0th location? First element?
2.
2. Now we have to take the element 2 and to which element you need to compare. Already this comparison completed. Take the next element. What is the next element? 1.
1.
Tell me is the condition is true or false?
True.
True.
True. Sir, true means what we need to do? We
Swap.
have to swap. So 2 and then 1. So now what we are going to do here? So here 1 will come and here 2 will come. Now what is the next case? Tell me what is the first element? 1. We have to compare that element with which element?
3.
3. Tell me is the condition is true or false?
False.
False. That means no swapping. Sir, what you did with first iteration? Have you observed? I identified the minimum element in the list. I bring to the first. Sir, clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes.
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 Any queries?
No.
No, sir.
Now, in the second iteration, what we have to do? Sir, take the second element. Tell me what is the second element?
4.
4.
4. Again, as usual, we have to compare 4 with 2. Tell me condition satisfied or not?
That is why.
Satisfied. So we have to swap 4 comma 2. So now what will happen? So here 2 is going to come and here 4 will come. So next, what is the second element to 2, sir? Now what we have to do? We have to compare 2 with 3. Now tell me, is the condition is true or false?
False.
False. That means what? No swap is required. So is it required to compare with any other elements? No elements. All elements are compared. Can I say this element is the minimum? Sir, up to this any queries?
No.
Now, so third case. So we have to select the next element, which is nothing but 4. I am comparing is 4 is greater than 3 or not. So condition is satisfied. So we have to swap 4 and then 3. Now here I am going to move 4. Okay, and here 3 will come. Sir, is there any other element to compare? No, sir. Now this element also gets sorted. Sir, any queries up to this?
No.
Now tell me how many elements are there in the array?
Four.
To be sorted. Only one, right?
1.
When you have only one element, then already it is in sorting only, right? We are not required to compare, correct?
Yes.
Now tell me, if your array is having n elements, sir, how many comparisons you need to do? N minus 1. We can ignore the last element, right? Because it will be automatically sorted, correct?
Yes.
Now, to select this, have you observed? I have selected every time one element, right? So to select this, how many elements are there in this array? 4. That's why how many iterations it came? 3. For that, I am writing a for loop. What is that for loop? Integer I is equal to start from 0. Next I is equal to 1. Next I is equal to 2. Don't take I is equal to 3. That means I less than a dot length. A dot length is 4. So don't take 3 means minus 1. Every time increment 1 by 1 value. Sir, what is the purpose of this loop? To select elements 1 by 1. Sir, any queries up to this?
No.
Everyone, please confirm. Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Now. So what is
Yes.
the next one, sir? We have to compare. How to compare? Sir, for integer j is equal to. Sir, if you take I is equal to 0, we have to compare with the next element onwards. Correct, sir?
Yes.
this I is equal to 0 has to be compared with all the remaining elements. Am I right? So what will be the initial value of j? Anyone tell me?
I+1.
I
Very good. Not I plus 1. Why? Because comparing the same element with comparing one element with the same element is meaningless. That's why I'm comparing from adjacent elements. So till ending we need to compare. That's why a dot length and then j plus plus. That's all. This is for what? For comparing. Sir, two loops are clear. Huh?
yes.
Now we have to write comparison logic. Anyone tell me how to compare?
If A of I is greater than A of J,
That's all.
then
We have to compare a of I is greater than a of j. If it is true, then swapping we have to do. Let me take basics of swapping. Integer temporary variable and temp is equal to a of I is equal to a of j is equal to temp. Automatically what will happen? Sorting is going to be done. So this is nothing but a swapping logic. I think no need to explain. That's all, sir. Very simple algorithm with clear explanation we framed. Okay, and this one is going to sort the data in which order? Ascending order. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any queries?
No.
Please confirm. If everyone clear, then I will execute this program and we will check really is it working or not.
Let's
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, sometimes they are going to ask, what is the time complexity of this program? Like that, they are going to ask. But as of now, it is not in our cup of tea. But let me give that conclusion also. So, what is the time complexity for this? Is nothing but anyone tell me?
big of n square.
Right. Big O of n square. Why you are telling n square? Because how many loops are there?
Two.
Two loops. So whenever you have two loops, what is the time complexity? Big O of n square. Suppose if you have three loops, tell me, sir, what is the time complexity?
N cube.
N cube. That's all. So how many loops are there? Those many times it is going to work. Clear, Anna? Everyone, please confirm. Clear up to this.
Yes.
yes.
Now, so we will run this program and we will check really is it working or not. Let's compile the code. Program compiled fine. Let's run the code. You can see. So before sorting, what are the integer objects that we have? And after sorting, what are the integer objects that we have? Any queries up to this? Please confirm. Everyone feeling comfortable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So this is nothing but, so first case like sorting elements in ascending order. I'm copy pasting the outputs also. Maybe let us run for 3 times and every time you can see there is a change in the input as well as output. Now, so let us go for the second case. What is the second case? Sir, can you please sort the elements in descending order? Okay, we have to write a Java program for sorting the integer objects in descending order. Sir, already we have code for ascending order. If you do small modifications in these, automatically descending order will come. Sir, what modifications we have to do? First modification, try to change the method name. Instead of ASC, I am taking DSA. What about inputs? Same inputs only. Now tell me in this algorithm, what modifications we need to do, sir? Anyone guide me?
If
Yes, if condition we have to change. Sir, previously, whatever algorithm I explained in the previous case, you can see in the diagram. So whenever greater element came, what we did? We swapped. Now what we have to do? Sir, whenever small elements came, then we have to swap. That means what? Whenever 4 less than 2, whenever 2 less than, just you need to change this symbol. Whatever example I have taken, try to take the same example for your reference and try to sort it out by yourself. Okay. So what modification in this? In the place of greater than, take less than. That means if the first element is less when compared with any other element, that other element which is having highest value should come to the first. This is nothing but logic what we have. Okay, now we will run the code and we will check is it doing in descending order or not. Yes, perfectly it is working. You can see the highest element in the list is nothing but what? 49. It came to the beginning. Like that we have. Okay, sir, any queries up to this, please confirm.
No, sir.
Are you clear with the second case also?
Clear.
So the next case is sorting the elements in ascending order with the customized range. Sir, you have to do the sorting with the customized range. Let me take the elements in the array is nothing but so 12, 19, so 34, 22, so 67, okay, and then 36, just random elements I am selecting. So 18, okay, 29, so 3 plus 3, 6. Yeah, 10 elements are there. So now what is my requirement is I want to sort the elements between these locations only. So that means which locations I need to sort. Sir, can you please sort only in between the locations? So how to do? If I sort, what is the minimum element in that? 22. So what is the next element that you are supposed to get? 34. So next 36. Okay. So next 67. So I think the least element is 18. Like that we need to get. This is nothing but what you need to do. Now, in this case, if you observe, what is the value of I that you are supposed to take? I mean, not I. What is the starting index you need to take? Sir, my starting index and ending index is nothing but, so starting index is 0, 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Starting index is nothing but what? 2. Okay, what about ending index? What about ending index? Sir, the ending index is nothing but I am not giving 6. Please make sure you have to give 7. So starting index is always included in every programming language. Ending index is nothing but what? Excluded. That means one step before it will stop. So in addition to the array, I will pass two more parameters like 2 and 7. What is this 2? It is nothing but a starting index. What is this 7? It is nothing but ending index. So we have to sort this array from this starting location to ending location -1. These are the parameters that we have to update. Sir, clear? Everyone please confirm.
Yes.
So please respond guys. Clear everyone? Okay.
Clear, sir.
Right. So let me sort this. Let me sort this. So we have to take same sorting ascending order. You need to replace greater than only. Okay, and here also sorting in ascending order, but we have to pass the parameters explicitly. Let me give 3 comma 8. That means what? Starting from third location to 8 - 1 we have to stop. So I am passing starting index and then ending index. Sir, don't start from 0. We have to start from the given start value. Don't take up to ending. So you have to take what? End. If you take end, automatically it will stop at end -1. Again, don't take end -1 because we don't have any guarantee that the ending whatever you are giving is the last location. It may be present in the middle also. That's why, so you don't give end -1. That's all. And here also we need to give that end value only. These are the some small modifications what we need to do, but except that remaining things are as usual, sir. Sir, correct? Please confirm everyone.
Sir, why did not you take end -1? Can you repeat that?
Sir, whenever you are taking, sir, why I am not taking end minus 1 is in the previous example we have taken a dot length minus 1. Why we have taken a dot length minus 1? What is the reason, sir? So whenever you have an array with some elements like 1, 7, so 4, 2, okay, 6 like that. So after sorting all these elements, only one leftover element will be there. We are not required to sort this. Keeping that in our mind, we have taken a dot length minus 1. Correct?
Yes.
Now, if you take 17426 like this, I want to sort up to this location only. Sir, now in this location, if you start from here, then up to here we are required to sort. We are no need to sort the last element. But to avoid that confusion, we can also take end minus 1. But it will be more confusing, right? Instead of that, let me take end itself. Got it?
Sir, but how will it compare to end element?
No, this if the element is 2, 2 will be compared with 2 again and it will be false. Comparison will be done, but to avoid the confusion. Are you getting?
Yeah, yeah. So what is the point to compare them to same?
You can take end minus 1 also, but it will be confusing, right? That's why just I am avoiding. Okay, just it is sample explanation purpose, sir. But in the real time, we have bubble sort, selection sort. In that and all, we will do modifications. Okay. So here just I am explaining for layman people, because if I take end minus 1, again they are going to confuse, because the last element is already there, sir. Why you are going to stop like that? That's why. Okay. We can take end minus 1 also. Nothing it is going to work out. Sir, clear up to this? Or better, if you are getting confusion, try to take end minus 1 also. Nothing will happen. Sir, clear? Can I run the code now? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now I'm going to compare. I'm going to execute the program. You can see, sir, 26, 19, 16 like that. We have some elements. Which elements we sorted from? What is the input I have given, sir? Anyone remembered? 3, 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can anyone check the elements between 1 to 7 sorted or not? Please check it once.
No.
No, not sorted. I think not one, sir. 3 to 8, right? So 3 to 8 means what? Third location to 3 minus 1. Now check it. Is it sorted? Can you please cross check?
Yes.
So 10, 22, 25, 32, 42. Have you observed? First 3 elements not disturbed, last 2 elements not disturbed. Let me run one more case. Now are you seeing the elements in these locations get sorted? Have you observed? Yes. Now the elements in these locations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see up to this there is a sorting. Guys, please confirm, is the algorithm is working fine or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir, working.
Everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is nothing but in your customized sorting order, how you can able to sort the elements. Okay. Now, so the next case, what we have in this case, sorting the elements in descending order with the customized range. So same program, small modifications. What is that modification? Try to change the method name like sort descending order. So now just I am changing the method name. Is it sufficient? We need to change any other things here. Please confirm.
If condition.
Yes, we have to change if conditions. So instead of a of I greater than a of j, just we need to take a of I less than. Rest of the things we are not required to update, automatically it is going to be done. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so let us run this code and check really is it working or not. I'm not going to draw any identifications for you. I executed 4 times. So you have to check whether it is sorted or not. 0, 1, 2, 3 from third location 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it sorted? Please check it once in descending order. Rest of the things will be
Yes.
as it is available. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please confirm, friends. These are
Yes.
nothing but basics of sorting. So tomorrow, if you are getting any problem, like, sir, can you please sort the data in this particular area? So we can able to sort, right? That kind of confident, I think you got with these basics of sorting. Any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
I covered only 3 topics as of now, sir. So introduction to sorting algorithms I have explained. Next and after that, if I want to run this program practically, so we should have, okay, we should have, what is that? Generating random numbers also I explained. Then what is a basic idea of sorting I demonstrated. Sir, can we sort by using predefined tools also? Yes. Let me cover that one also. Then we will go for rest of the things. Okay. Now another some 30 minutes or 40 minutes I am going to take. So can I go for next topic? Please confirm everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next one is, it is also basics of sorting. Okay. So sorting methods. That means what? There are some predefined sorting methods are existed. Just we are going to explore that sorting methods. Tell me anyone, which predefined methods we have, sir?
Arrays.sort.
Very good. Arrays dot sort. Any other?
Collection dot sort.
Very good. So we have collections. Collections dot sort is there. There are two sorting methods are there. Arrays dot sort and collections dot sort. Sir, can I use these arrays dot sort and collections dot sort for doing my sorting operation? Yes, happily we can do. Okay. So now you have to tell, sir, what is the difference? What is the difference between? Okay. What is the difference between arrays dot sort and collections dot sort? So just whatever knowledge you have, please let me know. Tell
Arrays
me.
dot
Arrays is
homogeneous data
particularly
set.
for arrays.
Okay.
Collection is for any collection, list, map.
Collection dot sort for heterogeneous data structure.
Okay. Okay. Any other? So arrays dot sort is used for homogeneous and collections dot sort will use it for heterogeneous. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Any other difference?
You can create your own sorting method in collections.sort
Okay.
using iterator or something, some class. We
Very
can
good. Very
create
good.
our own method and we can do that. But arrays.sort is like a traditional ascending and descending.
Very good. Very good. Right. So listen. So what is this arrays dot sort and collections dot sort? Let me give only 2 points. Of course, there are n number of differences are there. I don't want to go in detail. What is the first point is, Sir, arrays dot sort. It is used to. It is used for sorting. It is used for sorting. Okay, it is used for sorting primitives. Primitives and objects. Someone is telling, sir, homogeneous, heterogeneous. Array, you can't apply this sorting for heterogeneous. So two different objects are there. Like one is a student object, one is customer object. Is it possible to compare those two? No, right? Then how you can apply this sorting for heterogeneous objects? We can't. Remember that point. So arrays dot is used for sorting primitive elements at the same time objects. Objects means compulsory it should be homogeneous only. Okay. Sir, what about the collections dot sort? Sir, collections dot sort is used for sorting only objects but not primitives, because in collections everything is treated as an object. Okay, sir, arrays dot sort. So collections dot sort. Tell me performance wise, which is better? Performance wise, which is better?
Arrays.
Arrays.
Very good. So performance wise, so which sorting technique is better? So arrays is nothing but a better performance. So when compared with the collections dot sort, it will give better performance. Better performance. So in this case, so performance is not up to the mark. Not up to the mark. Okay, so but depends on the data. Suppose if client has given, sir, I have one list is there, can you please sort the elements? You can sort in two ways. One is you can use a collections dot sort, or second way is you can convert that collection into array and you can apply arrays dot sort, again revert back to the list. So all are depending on the performance factor only. You need to find out whether it is giving good performance or not. Okay, sir, next one. Sir, both are stable sorting only. Both are so stable sorting. Stable sorting for objects. Stable sorting for objects. So what is mean by stable sorting? We will discuss later. But as of now, I don't want to go in detail. Sir, next, very, very important. Sir, customized. Customized sorting. Customized sorting not allowed. Okay, but here customized sorting is allowed. Sir, customized sorting means what? Sir, I want to sort based on my own requirement, not predefined. So I have array list is there. In that some students are there. According to rank, I want to sort. Is it arrays are going to be helpful? No, sir. But I have integer objects are there. Can I sort? You can use either arrays or collections. So if you want to do by your own, then we have to go for collections.sort. If you have any predefined things, then we have to go for collections. Everyone clear, right? The differences.
Sir, one point. So in arrays.sort, you have written used for sorting primitives and objects. So here objects means wrapper classes you are referring?
Yes, wrapper classes only.
Okay.
So if you
Not
want
any
better,
object, right?
no, not any object. Better to give wrapper classes. Okay. Sir, clear. In short form, it will applicable for objects. It is applicable for primitives. You can feel in that way. Sir, clear?
Yes.
If everyone clear, then I will move further.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, under this, I'm going to explain around 12 cases. I'm going to explain around 12 cases. Let me discuss all those cases with example programs. So, what is the first case here is case 1. I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order. Okay, I want to sort primitive integers. One second. I want to sort primitive integers in descending order. Sir, next chat box is already enabled. Okay. Better you can unmute and you can speak. That will be good because interaction is very, very important, right? That's why. So next, I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order with customized. Okay, so with a customized range, I want to sort primitive integers in descending order with a customized range. Okay, so next I want to sort, next case is I want to sort integer objects in ascending order. I want to sort integer objects in descending order. Okay, next I want to sort so string objects in ascending order. I want to sort string objects in descending order. Okay, next, very, very important. So I want to sort student objects in ascending order, student objects in descending order. Sir, how we, on what basis you are comparing? Sir, very simple, with respect to hall ticket number, with respect to hall ticket number, ascending order, with respect to hall ticket number, descending order. Same student objects with respect to, okay, with respect to name in ascending order, with respect to name in descending order. Sir, next with respect to percentage, ascending order, with respect to percentage, descending order. Sir, next with respect to rank in ascending order, with respect to rank in descending order. So these cases I am going to explain for you people by taking examples, multiple examples. Of course, all are easy because we are not going to write any logic explicitly. We are not going to write any logic explicitly because we have predefined methods are there, right? We are going to cover those predefined methods. Okay, sir, please confirm everyone clear up to this.
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
first I will take some 4 or 5 programs, then I will give some 10 minutes break. After that, remaining things will be covered. Okay, right. So, sir, first case, I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order. Sir, how you can able to sort primitive integers in ascending order? Sir, very simple. To understand this anyway, random objects are there. I'm not going to use any predefined, I'm not going to give the explicit values. Let us take this one. Sir, here just there is one predefined class is there with the name arrays. Just we have to take sort of a, you need to pass the array object, that's all, sir. Automatically what will happen, it is going to sort. We are not required to do anything. Sir, with this much easiness is there means, why you explained the first program with the difficult algorithm? Because we should have an idea how internally it is going to work. That's why I demonstrated that example. This is nothing but how to sort the primitive values in ascending order. Sir, can you please sort primitive values in descending order? Yes, happily we can do that, no issues. But additionally, what we need to do, sir, we have to give some explicit mechanism. What is that explicit mechanism? I will explain. Okay, sir, up to this clear, right?
Yes.
Sir, everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, better I will give program for this third case. After that, I will go for a second case. Sir, I want to sort the primitives in ascending order with customized range. No problem. Here itself, if you want, you can give the locations. Sir, 2 comma 7. It will sort the data in between those two locations. Observe carefully. Sir, 0, 1, 2 from second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Sir, is it sorted or not? Please cross check.
It should be
So,
7 minus 1, right?
so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Sir, I think it is 7 minus 1, but every time the 7th element is the same, we are getting. Unfortunately, every time the last 3 elements are same. So it is not sorting this element, correct? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is taking up to this element, correct, sir? Can you please confirm?
Yeah.
Is it taking that element? Yes, right? You
It is
can see here.
including seventh element,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
excluding seventh element.
Excluding 7. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, excluding 7. But if you do it in descending order, you will get clarity. So this is nothing but how to sort primitive integers with customized range. So we are not required to write any algorithm. We have a predefined method is there. What is that method? Arrays.sort. Sir, everyone clear with this? Please confirm.
So in that range, sir, 2 to 7, 7 is excluded, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here better for your understanding, I will write, can I take start is inclusive and ending argument is nothing but what? Exclusive, like that. Now, sir, I want to sort primitive integers in descending order. Tell me if I want to sort primitive integers in descending order, is there any method? Please confirm. Is
No.
there any predefined method? No, we don't have any predefined method for this. Okay, so then how you can do? We have to write customized code for that. What I'm going to do is I will write best example like reverse. So reverse of A means what? It is going to do that A in reverse order. Okay, so the best algorithm I'm going to write for doing that reverse, we need to write customized code for that only. Okay, so it is taking the array. What this method is going to do? It is going to reverse the total array. Okay, now, sir, can I go for explaining this algorithm? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, so consider we have an array like this. The elements of the array is nothing but, so 0th location, so first location, second location, third location, 0th location, first location, second, and then third. So what about the elements? Assume the elements are nothing but something like 7, okay, 5, next and after that 10, okay, next and after that 3, like that we have. So now what is my requirement is I want to reverse these elements. Sir, how you are going to reverse? I will maintain 2 pointers. What is the first pointer is, so this one left pointer I'm going to take and the right pointer I'm going to take. Sir, is the value of left, is it less than right? Yes. Can you please swap the elements present in left and then right? So what will happen? Here 3 will come and here 7 will go. After that, try to increment left by 1 unit, try to decrement right by 1 unit. Now check, is left is less than right? Yes. So then can you please swap L comma R? That means what? Here 9 will come and here 5 will come. Now increment left by 1 unit, so 2. Increment right, decrement right by 1 unit, 1. Sir, left is 2, right is 1. Condition not satisfied. So we have to stop. Now observe. So before sorting, what are the elements that we have, sir? So 7, 5, 9, 3. So after reversing, what are the elements that we have? 3, 9, 5, 7. Tell me, sir, is it reverse happened or not? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So this simple logic we have to write. So what is that logic? Sir, very easy. Just I'm going to take two variables like a starting index is equal to 0, ending index is equal to a dot length minus 1, then some temporary variable. So until starting index is less than ending index, what we are doing? We are going to swap a of starting index so with a of ending index, and a of after doing this, what we need to do? Starting increment, starting index we have to increment, ending index we have to decrement. That's all, sir. If you do this, automatically descending order you are going to get. Let me cross check. Is it working or not? Can you please cross check? Is descending order is working or not? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear? This is nothing but how to sort primitives in descending order. Now, sir, very, very important case I'm going to explain. Case 4. What is this case 4? I want to sort primitive integers in descending order with a customized range. Very, very important. Anyone tell me what modification we need to do in this code? Anyone tell me? What modification we need to do?
So while condition we have to reverse.
So while condition we need to reverse. Okay, then which thing you need to reverse? Sir, here you can see I'm going to sort. Okay, I'm going to sort from 2 to 8. That means what? It is going to sort the elements from which location to which location?
Second to seventh.
Second to 7. In which order it will sort, sir? In ascending order only. Correct? Now, if you reverse from second location to seventh location, now it will be fine, right? So now here also I'm going to pass those two parameters, and here I'm going to receive, let it be x and then y, x and then y. What is the starting index? X. What is the ending index? Y minus 1. Correct? Now observe. Can you please cross check? Is from second location to seventh location, all the elements are arranged in descending order or not? Please cross check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, is the descending order came or not?
Yes.
Sir, clear everyone?
Yes.
Any queries up to this? This is nothing but how to sort primitive integers in descending order. Okay. Right now, so before going for the remaining cases, just I will give break for exactly 10 minutes. So after the break, I'm going to cover these things, which is very, very important. Okay. If any queries are there, please let me know. After that, I will give the break. Any queries?
Sir, can you explain the logic of the question again?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Can you please?
Yeah, miss, That in diagram you have explained logic, no?
Ah,
I didn't understand that clearly. Can you explain once again?
which one, sir? First one,
Yeah,
that how
second
to say
last. Reverse.
reverse logic.
Yeah.
One second. This one,
Yes, sir.
see, what we are doing here is, listen, very simple code, sir. Observe carefully. So I have some array elements like 0th location, first location, second location, so third location, fourth location, so fifth location, and sixth location. Like that we have array. What I will do is, first I will sort these elements in ascending order. For example, so 7, next and after that 3, so 1, 2, okay, 4, so 5, 6, like that we have. What I'm going to do, I want to sort the elements from which location to which location? Second location to 5 minus 1. Assume 6 minus 1 or something. Okay, let it be 2 comma 4. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to arrange all these elements in ascending order. If arrange ascending order, what will happen? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6, 7, like that we are going to get. So what is our requirement? From 2 to 4, we need in descending order. Oh, the elements are going to change. That's why you asked this doubt, I think so. Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
So then what we need to do? I think we can't apply both predefined for this, right?
Mhm.
So there is no predefined for this. Compulsory we have to go for user defined tool only. Already I explained this algorithm in the basics of sorting, right? That we need to apply. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Right, guys. Now I'm going to give some break for 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes. So after that, we are going to continue. Okay.
Okay.
So I will be on mute and I am away from the system. Yeah, sir, everyone, please confirm. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
So please confirm so that we will start. Everyone, please confirm. Came back.
Audible.
Right. Sir, someone asked that question, like how to sort the data in descending order with customized range. I think it will work, sir. Can you please cross check? Because see, we are sorting the elements only from second location to 7 minus 1. So 0, 1, 2 from second location to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to this, we are going to sort in ascending order. So what will happen? If you take these elements like 25 as it is will be there, so 20. Now this data alone we are sorting in descending, means what? Ascending means what? We will get 4, 9, 23, so 35, 37, 49. What about the rest of two elements? So it will be 34 and then 2, like that we will get in this first case. Okay, now after this, what we are doing? We are reversing only this particular part. So means what? First two elements will be as it is available. Only these elements we are going to get in descending order. Means 49, so 37, 35, 23, 9 and then 4. And what about remaining two elements? As usual 34 and then 2. So you can see only this part we sorted in descending. We are not touching these elements. Okay, sir, clear? It is working fine. Sir, clear? Someone asked doubt before the break. Sir, clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, so what is the next example? Sir, everyone, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next example, how to sort integer objects in ascending order. Sir, it is not primitive. We have to sort integer objects. So how you can able to do this? Random class I'm not taking because it is related to the objects. I'm taking some integer objects like 10, 19, 14, 28, 12, 11, 20, 13. Because of wrapper classes auto boxing concept, everything will be converted into objects. Now arrays dot sort of a. Sir, this A is what type of object? Integer. It is not primitive. Sir, is this sorting will be done for objects also? Yes. Happily, we can use arrays dot sort for sorting integer objects also. You can see all the objects before sorting and after sorting how it will be. Okay. So which method we have to use for this purpose? Same sort method only. Sir, clear? Any questions in this?
Clear.
Then, so what about next one? Sir, I want to sort integer objects in descending order. So same program. Okay, same program. So what we need to do? Anyone guide me?
You can sort
After
it reverse.
reverse.
Sorting and then reverse. We can do that. But sir, do you know we have one special facility is there? If it is objects, sir, we have to sort, we have to reverse, right? Yes, instead of that, there is one more argument you can pass. What is that argument? Collection dot reverse order. Sir, reverse order is a predefined method which is available on collections. Sir, why you are touching collection? Because it work with objects. Sir, everyone please confirm, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there is some power issue. Please hold for 1 minute. Yeah, so please confirm, am I audible?
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah, right. So now we are going to see how this sorting is going to be happen. Sir, in collections module, there is one predefined method is there. What is that predefined method? Reverse order. It is going to reverse the total objects. Okay, that's why I'm going to use this special method, and it is available in which class collections. So compulsory we have to import that collections class, then only it will work. Okay, now let me compile the program. Sir, is the program compiled? Fine. Yes. Let us execute. Sir, you can see the data got arranged in descending order. Okay. Sir, clear everyone with this example. Please confirm.
Yeah.
Any queries? Please confirm. Sir, clear everyone. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. One second, guys. Right. So let us go for the next case. What is the next case here? I want to sort so string objects in ascending order. So I'm going to take string object. So let me take the string objects like a string array A is equal to. So I'm going to take objects like triple C, next triple A, so next triple B, next triple Z, next triple R, next triple W, then triple Y, like this I am taking. These are nothing but string objects. So I want to arrange these string objects in ascending order. Yes, happily you can use a sort method. Now what will happen? Sir, automatically all the objects are going to be sorted according to the alphabetical order. According to the alphabetical order, it is a sorting. This is nothing but how to sort string objects in ascending order. Sir, how to sort string objects in descending order? Yes, we can do that one. So what is the advantage? What tool we have to take? Anyone tell me what is a modification here we need to do? Please confirm. Yes, what is a modification? Can anyone?
Collection dot reverse.
Yes, we have to take. So here collections, comma. So collections dot we need to take reverse order. Automatically what will happen? The data is going to be arranged in reverse order. You can see it is coming in this style. Okay, so this is nothing but how you can able to sort string objects in descending order. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Please confirm.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Sir,
Yes,
clear
sir.
up to this? One
Network is
second.
down.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, there is network. Well, anyway, I'm going to wind up within a few minutes. Sir, up to this clear, right?
One question, sir. It's like arrays dot sort you told for you are using for string also, but string
Yes.
is not a primitive type, right?
That's what I told in the beginning. It is applicable, this arrays dot sort is applicable for both, okay, for both primitives and also objects. That to which objects? Wrapper classes objects. I will explain what type of objects it will entertain now. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, up to this clear, right?
Yes.
Now, sir, listen carefully. One small note I am going to take, and after that I will conclude the session. What is a note is, can I apply this arrays dot sort method for integer objects? Yes. For string objects? Yes. Okay. So for double objects? Yes. For character objects? Yes. For all the primitives you can apply, but we can't apply. We can't apply for string buffer. We can't apply for string buffer. Sir, why we can't apply for string buffer? Let me see the profile of string buffer class. Java P java.lang. First let me show you the string profile. If you take string class, okay, only the top line I am going to write. Observe carefully. So what is the syntax of this one? Public class final java.lang.string, which implements serializable. Forget about this. And also it implements, have you observed, comparable? Okay, it is extending, it is implementing the properties of which one? Comparable. That means we can able to compare the objects internally. The objects will be compared. So if you take same thing for string buffer, if you take same concept for string buffer, so let me copy paste the first line. So you can see public class, so string buffer extends abstract string builders. Let me remove this, and you can see implements. Sir, is it implementing comparable? No. That's why, so the predefined classes which are implementing comparable interface, those type of objects only allowed for arrays dot sort method. Clear, everyone? I think now you got clarity.
Yes, yes.
So all the wrapper classes and string class is automatically implementing this comparable. That's why this arrays dot sort we can apply for all the wrapper classes. Sir, if I want to compare string buffer objects, what we need to do? Sir, we have to go for collections dot sort. Arrays dot sort is not suitable. Collections dot sort we have to take with our implemented code. Sir, everyone understood this point?
Ye-
Everyone clear? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So with this, just I'm going to stop today's session. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow.